We just arrived here in Tagaytay. We're here at... Where are we? We're here at Ayala Malls, Serene West, Diversion Road, whatever, Tagaytay City. Char. So we're going to go to the condo that we rented from Airbnb. And we're tired. Oh my goodness. So we're going to go ahead. So this is the Serene West. Yeah, it's big. And there are a lot of condos here, right? Oh my goodness. Hi guys. That's the condo we're staying in. Action na daw. At the Serene West here at Ayala Malls. That's the Ayala Mall. And that one is the studio. I mean the condo. Guys, we're here at Ayala Mall. We're going to eat, guys. I'm with my friends Inaro, Ma'am Rod, and Ma'am Juliet. It's beautiful here. Guys, we're going to buy something here at the mall, at the Ayala Malls. This is just, you know, walking distance from the condo that we're staying. It's very nice here. Oh, it's so cute. I love that. It's so green. Cute. I like this one. I like the idea. It's so green. Very nice. Guys, this is inside the mall. Yeah, you look for sushi. You like sushi. And this is real plants inside the mall. Oh, this is open. I didn't know it's open. Look. Look, there's no roof. It's open.
Really?
Yeah, that's why there are real plants here. I don't know. Wow.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that's shrimp. Looks very yummy. Oh, chicharong. Chicharong bulaklak.
Shrimp po yan.
Oh wow, these are nice food. I think these food are these are street foods here. And these foods are very common here.
Yes, fish cake, ma'am.
Ano po? What's that? Anong tawag nito?
Dynamite, ma'am.
A dynamite. This one.
Gimari po. Gimari. Korean street food po siya, ma'am.
Magkano yan?
100 po yung apat. Ay, ano yan? Sushi? Sushi. Yung gimari po. Paano siya kainin? Pwede siyang ikat, ma'am. Pwede siyang kainin. Arang ganda mo naman eh.
Eto, magkano ito?
100 din po apat.
Sili man dapat.
Sili man yun. Let's try it. Try na kayo, ma'am. Masarap.
Ito, this one.
Masarap yan, ma'am. Sige. Ano kita?
Kaya lang, I can't eat all.
Ano siya, ma'am? Para siyang ganito siya, ma'am.
Sige, let's try.
Na binalot sa...
What's the name of this?
Gimari po.
Gimari. Oh, this one guys is Gimari.
Initing ko lang siya, ma'am.
Okay. Ano ang ingredients niyan?
Para siyang, chopstick po. Yung ganito, ma'am, yung nas noodles, ma'am.
Okay.
Na binalot lang siya sa,
Binalot sa
ang tawag dito. Wait lang, ma'am.
lumpia wrapper?
Hindi, ma'am.
Ano?
Sa ganito.
Oh.
Seaweeds, parang seaweeds.
Okay. Parang yung sa ano, harigato na ano.
Yung parang sa ano po, gimbap, parang hindi pambalot sa gimbap.
Yeah. Hey, we're just trying. We're just trying some of the street foods. It doesn't mean that's our dinner. It's just a try.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can try everything. We're just trying the street foods here.
I like
We're
this
trying the
one.
street food.
Wait po.
You hear me?
Yes.
Apat po 100.
4 for 100.
Oh, how I wish my sweetheart is here.
Is this
Oh my gosh.
4 for 100?
I miss him so
Okay, I'm gonna
much.
take 4.
How I wish he's here with me in Tagaytay right now, guys.
Do you still
I think
have
he's
the
gonna
sushi?
love to try something new. Yeah. This is dynamite. Maybe this is something that, you know, tourists wants here in Tagaytay. We're just here at Ayala Mall and we're going to eat this dynamite thing. I don't know how it tastes.
With juice inside. Cheese.
Mmm,
Nice. Nice.
it's delicious.
Yeah.
Grabo ko na to
Wanna taste? Taste mo.
Marang ha.
Naulog ba sa saro?
Abo ko na, demo na.
You don't like it? Why? It's because it's...
Abo ko na. Pwede na kita, maghanap pa kita ng ano no?
Wait. It's a mess.
Mom, excuse me.
Appetizer ka niyo, bako. Appetizer ka na.
Street food. Dynamite. It's made of chili. Oh my gosh, it's so... It's hot. Really hot. Oh my gosh. We have to eat something.
You have to drink sauces.
And I have to drink something.
Magkano dito, miss?
Hi, this is... What's this? Imagur... What's this? Forgot it. Do you like this?
Ano yun? Ay, ang happy lang. Ay, hindi ako. Ano kaya ini? Ito po, ma.
Imagur? I forgot. Miss, ano nga yung pangalan nito?
Mas masarap yan yung
Dynamite.
Lobat mo kaya.
Yeah. Dynamite. It tastes like pinapa. But this one is so hot.
Yeah, that one is nice.
Parang sa pero
But it tastes really, really hot.
pwede.
Magkano yung watermelon? Which one, ma'am?
Sino ko yan? Hidrukan.
ATM machine. I think we'll find.
Darong ka. Makakan kita.
The dynamite is delicious, guys. I don't know. Don't like it. It tastes like tinapa.
Malutuin yan.
Yeah, tastes like that's a rice.
Gaano kalaki?
Oh. Miss, ano pangalan nito?
Hungarian sausage.
Hungarian sausage. Magkano yan?
90.
Nabili ng isa.
90?
Hungarian. Ano yan?
It's from Hungary.
The one who eats it is actually feeling so hungry.
Yeah.
So did you understand my explanation?
Yes, I feel so hungry.
Well, it's just kidding. Hey.
Is it from Hungary? It's Hungarian. Hungarian sausage. You think that's from Hungary?
If you are
What's the
really-
corn for?
This one is, you know,
Oh, it's
delicious.
for
It's-
extra sweet corn or
Oh,
extras?
cheese. No. 50 pesos. Miss, kapag ka walang cheese, walang butter, walang milk,
50 lang.
50 pesos.
Base.
Puno yun.
You know, guys, one thing I noticed here in the different stall of the food here that the people are selling, the vendors are selling, they don't compete with each other because they sell different food. I mean, that's nice. It's nice of them, you know? Oh. Hi guys, I've got my Hungarian sausage. Wait. Guys, this Hungarian sausage with bacon wrap.
Pag may parang ang rice.
Oh my gosh. Guys, this is 90 pesos. It's Hungarian sausage. Mmm. Oy. What's that? Your garbage. Ask them.
Look at that.
No, I'm going to get this. This mine. But that one is yours. How about you? Would you like to get a sausage from there? You don't want?
I want to eat dinner.
This is my dinner.
Is that your dinner?
Yeah.
Same thing.
So guys, we're getting some of our needs here at the store. So it's good thing that Hinaro is here with us. So he's going to be our what do you call that?
Lifter.
Yeah, lifter, the one who carries all this water.
Eh, nag-gyman ako. Maras na naman nag-gym ako. Naroon lang.
Oh my God! Ay, saan mo nga ni? Oh my gosh, na-overwhelm ang mga shoppers.
Lag mo na dyan.
Ako nga kitang makuyan.
Na-overwhelm po ang mga shoppers. Ang mga magkagutom. Kada akong pinakal na tubig, matinda ka mo.
Hindi, para sa araw ng pag-alis. Para daw ko tumabalik. Busy kita.
Mga inaapod na turista.
Nag-gym ako sa
Nag-shopping.
At least na
Nagbakal paggakan sa SM.
Nabanat ka.
Sa Ayala Malls.
May gym area sa school.
Oh my goodness. Mabakal man lang pala kamuging tubig.
Pwede yun.
I-give them lang.
Nagigdi pa ka mas sa Tagaytay.
Sabi ito hanggang dyan lang.
Gosh.
Alalay. Okay ka lang.
Ano kaya yung pinakakal nindo?
May alam lang. May about 10.
Ibig sabihin, nasa pinakataas kita.
Ano bigyan ka sa pinakataas?
I don't know.
Baka yung available.
I think so.
Gawin ko, barakantiman ko ba sa or pormanon lang?
No.